Hello everyone. So our today's topic is all about again the GUI with Tkinter. So here obviously in the first time we are writing import Tkinter but as TK. So wherever we are going to use that root main window name or if we use any widgets, okay, that we have to use TK also. So here this is the thing, but we are creating our main window that is root equal to tk dot. This is tk function is inbuilt in the Tkinter, and we are giving one title also. So first of all, obviously canvas means to create a widget canvas first of all. So canvas equal to tk.Canvas, and inside the root or inside the main window we want with the width of 300, height of 200, it will create a rectangle shape something, and then we will draw a blue rectangle on the canvas. Okay, and that blue rectangle will be of 50 comma 50, 250 comma 150, that is the size x1 y1 x2 y2 size given, and fill equal to blue color, and then main loop. So we'll check the output of this also quickly. See, this is canvas. This outer part is canvas, and inside the canvas we have created one rectangle. So this is how you can use canvas, okay, using this code. Thank you everyone.